Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead Shop and Unbox channel. Okay, so I got this package. It's a bathroom cabinet vanity thing. You can see the full product in the description, what it's supposed to be, but I have no idea what's in here, mainly because this item, we had some issues. One being that it was purchased on Amazon, but not sold by Amazon. So it was shipped. This was delivered to me, but it does not have my name on it. But I'm assuming that it is it because the tracking number that was provided, it still says that the item is in transit. It's been past the due date, the delivery date, and still no update. So I'm assuming that this is the item. Yeah, so that's one thing. The other thing is that product weight on Amazon says 20 something pounds. However, the item weighs 18 pounds. So let's open this up and see if I got, based on the part, I can tell if I got the right item without assembling it. The assembly video will be on the homesteading channel, where I will be putting it together and all of that installation. This is taped pretty well. I did see this item on Temu, but it was more expensive over there, so I went along with Amazon. Okay. And I do have to get my packages through a logistic company, so I am aware of the weight and all of that via them. So the account number was correct, that was in the address, but the name on it was different. It's white. Okay, so this is it. Seems like it's the right item. These are the instructions. These are the parts that I'm supposed to get in there, and the instructions, basic instructions, and it seems pretty easy. It's very light. It's much lighter than I expected. I'm thinking these are the doors. Let's open it and see. I need to get myself a box cutter. I have no idea why I refuse to use my tripod. So these videos are easier and less stressful. Here's the answer for that. The house is a mess. I have stuff packed up everywhere because it's under construction, and I don't have the space to do these videos except on the bed because the little area is so packed up. Okay, so this is the door. I wanted the double door one, so I keep saying these. Is it wood? I don't think so. I don't think this is wood. It feels like plastic. It feels kind of like plastic. So the glass is intact, and I'm grateful for that. Try to fix this back as best as I could and as best as I can until I am ready to assemble it. Alright, so that's it. Based on what I'm seeing, this is a correct product. And as for the measurements, I'm not sure. I won't be able to tell if the measurements are correct until I assemble it. It is wood, but it feels like there's a kind of plastic coating over it. And these are the interior parts. There's some scratches. These are the shelves. This is the top and the bottom. These little parts are the side shelves, and these are the interior shelves. There's 1, 2, there's 4 of those. I'm thinking they're the shelves and the sides. And we've got the screws, the works, the fastening stuff. So that's it. This item was $29.99 plus shipping was $9.99 on Amazon, and they are on Temu for $45 and up. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.